In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the new functionality that has been added to the edit operator. So what we have on the screen is our blossom vase. We've used the vase mode to slice. We have a layer height of 5 and a line width of 4.8. And what I want to be able to do is I want to be able to filter out every nth layer. I then want to change the line thickness of each of those filtered out layers to around 8 mil. And then I want to combine everything together and I want to print the part. Now what we've had to have done previously is filter out every nth layer by bringing in a filter operator. We would then edit the output of that filter operator. We then have to combine the information back together, so the edited information and the out inverse of the filter operator, and then we would have to sort to make sure the sequence of our layers was correct. Now, within the edit operator, what we now have the ability to do is change our selection of our input data. So our input is going to be the slice out. Our selection at the moment is entire input. So this is going to allow the user to carry on using the edit operator as is, without any changes. However, what I can do is I can now change to the information that we can find within the filter operator. So if I went to nth layer, which is what I want to do, I then have the ability to filter within the edit operator. So I can filter out every second layer. I'm starting from the bottom. My edit type, so this is the normal edit information. I can go to line thickness now. I can set that new line thickness and I can say I want to change it to 8. I then hit the refresh button. Okay, so let's take a look at our line thickness now. You can see that we've got 4.8 and 8 mil line thickness. We can pop on our thickness so we can just see that there is a difference in those polylines. If I come to my sequence information now, we can see that the sequence is also correct. There's no need to use a sort operator. Okay, and we can go to our layers and our layer information is exactly the same. So with the ability to change the selected information within the edit now, we have the ability to remove the need for 3 additional operators that you have been putting into your workflows.